go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go, dude! Oh, I don't fucking know.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go.
Oh, we got it, man!
Nah, wait.
Fucking team, man.
Znaczy 0,2 szansy coś tam.
O kurwa!
Tak!
Nie no dlaczego ty masz takie szczęście?
Ej no czemu ja pominąłem animację? Crimson Web, o mój Boże. Ale ładny.
Das gibt.
Za ile?
Vielleicht bist du ja der Lucky Mentor. Was ich nicht glaube. Guck, Pink zieht schon wieder vorbei. Wunderschön. Oh mein Gott! Mentor!
Was denn?
Ich habe einen Stat-Track M9 Bayonet Law gezogen.
Nee.
Oh mein Gott, ach du Scheiße, das ist... Alter, Katze. Ich hab dich lieb, Katze, guck mal. Guck mal, wie süß.
Não fica, deixa eu vou rodar. What? Qual é que é, mano? Qual é que é?
En video om, hvor lav Gabens payout rate var. Og alligevel sidder jeg her.
Alright, I'm gonna open $100 worth of cases if this is a knife.
A bat.
No way!
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Shut up!
Oh my god, so many purples.
Oh my god!
Aj doći s tog stava, nek ima buš još, hvala.
Ne, brat, crveni jajke! Muž! Butterfly Marble Fade! What? Butterfly Marble Fade! No way!
You still do me?
What the fuck?
Dobro, no.
Olá, uma boa skin, por favor. Ih, vá lá. Uma faca, por amor de Deus.
They tried to bait me, dude. Did you see that? They didn't tell
I
me I had
did, that
another
didn't
key.
even, yeah.
The case is $9 plus.
Okay, oh
Crown
man.
foil, crown foil. Oh! Oh my god! Holy shit!
No way!
No way!
What? What? No way!
This is a joke. This is a joke. This is a
Jesus
joke.
Christ!
This is a joke.
Ben, oh my god.
No
you know
way.
that.
This is
Oh
an
my
actual
God.
joke. My life is no way.
No!
No.
Ben has a lot. Oh.
Oh.
Prawa, dziko. Krasny w oknie.
Здесь дико, не красный ответ сказал. Сейчас мы проверим эту информацию. Даю флеш над головами, можешь выйти в голову. Ладно, забейте.
Я подойду.
Готовы? Подойдите. Дал флеш над головами.
Минус.
Да, это красный.
Был вроде как.
Таня, твоя пушка, да. Дай бомбу, дай бомбу. КТ. Саш, КТ дал.
Я ждал.
Коннектор
Не
КТ.
спеши.
Я
Уходи,
живу.
уходи, Б.
Пробую. Я ушел.
Фейковый.
Не, с
Подожди,
подвала только
тихо,
могут.
тихо.
Подвал слышал
Ни один
кто-то?
АВП. Я думаю, для вас выпилить. Сейчас подставлю будет.
Да, зиг был.
Живи.
Я прошел.
Он не выйдет.
Ну это, блядь, я гейминг 2015.
One boxes.
I don't know. Top mid, I see.
Left side.
Top mid.
Red.
Jampo, let's pick mid. Flashing over.
Yes, big.
Let's go Jampo, Jampo. I'm picking under.
Top let's clear.
Not under. Could be.
I saw it.
Oh. Window. No kid though.
Yeah, no way he has this.
Wait.
Wait. No.
No.
Oh my god!
Did you just 10-second defuse?
Yes.
No. First box still.
Close city.
Not rocket science. One ninja. Ninja. Don't know, maybe sandwich. On the balcony clear. Jungle maybe. On the balcony dead. That's okay.
Garage here and posso.
Yeah, garage.
Main!
Both. Wait!
Okay. Raz!
Yes! Хорош!
Hide.
Nice! I was ready as well like everyone else. I'm just a normal dude, boys. I'm a lucky dude though. What's up, him? Focus on your own game, okay?
Shoot from triple, please.
Nice.
B.
Set of teams right now that play in multiple tournaments, and some of them did have open qualifiers, and they had more. Oh no! Robs, F's in the chat when you guys see this.
Right corner. Flashing right side.
Library.
And one apps maybe or balcony. Just say they think I hide in the corner, yeah. Just stay there.
Two. No. 2, 3, all three.
Just
All
hide.
three there. Flashing.
Hide.
Nice. Okay, they should become back B or they're Ls now.
Close bench mid. close bench one.
You're on B then.
Yeah, it's fine.
Something?
Wall it up. What? Smoke crabs.
AP dead.
That's that probably.
Yeah,
One as well.
out, I think.
Nice everyone.
Been dealing a bit too many assists. 7. You know, 3 of those should have been a kill. We got it, but not looking good. On that front, we're now 2 kills away from 30 bomb, boys. Let's get it going, man. Let's get it going.
He fucking strong.
I can't stay B with yellow.
Where's the one short, homie?
One more close.
No, one more as well.
Oh, he's Xbox.
One more, boys. One more shot and we got it. One more shot and we got a 30 bomb. Okay!
Molly too late, right? Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought he would get away there.
1v2 for Kerrigan here, dude. It's a pretty big round.
Oh! Is he doing it?
Oh, you misses one! Oh, and it's a no-no! That's a huge 1v2 for Kerrigan right there.
That's it. Doesn't land it where it counts, and now Flamesy. 1 versus 4. First headshot comes his way. He knows his second player's behind the site, but now an additional player has joined the ranks. There's another one. Falls down to Shocks and Moppers. If there was one player in the server you'd want to be in a 1v4, it is this man. And he's also on for the ace, and he's also picked up a 4th. It's all down to Shocks, and Flamesy takes it out the cauldron and just spills it all over Movie Star Riders.
No, he's going to hit the flick. Okay, Twist readies himself for a massacre.
Wait, Ethan.
Ethan as well. 1, 2, 3. Twist is teaching us how to count. That's all 4. In quick succession, masterful execution.
Da kann man einfach rausspringen aus Apps. Man kriegt zumindest den ersten Trade rein. Rox versucht weiterhin das Spiel auf Werken nie zu finden, aber kriegt ihn nicht wirklich ins Visier. Damit ist die A-Side mehr oder weniger frei. Nur noch Boomers, der das Ganze halten muss. Versteckt sich super in der Smoke. AGF kann ihn absolut nicht finden. Über lang kommt mittlerweile der Rotate rein. Wird direkt gezogen. Boomers weiter auf dem Spot. Der tanzt die Spieler einfach so raus. Hat keine Money mehr. Es sind nur noch 7 Sekunden. Die Runde ist vorbei. Boomers hat das Ding gewonnen.
With that Frag Leaf hearing Art's footsteps takes him and Vinny makes it a 3k. Great sequence on the A defensive, held a 3k on B as well in the last round. Okay, Serato getting out towards long as a result. Oh, what an adjustment from Vanity. Leaf gets the kill on Art next up. USB got a face in, there's no idea the long control's coming in. He's still getting his headshots. All right, no.